Hey mini dreamers, it's finally here! So, I've been waiting for this package for a while. Poor Kim from Tiny Dollhouse Project has also been waiting impatiently for me to get this package. So she can breathe again. I got the package. Here it is. So if you remember, we're doing a collab together. I made a sofa for her house and she made me a front desk for my lobby in the Hollow Hearth Manor. So I'm very excited to see what it looks like. I've been waiting, seems like forever. And Kim's also been waiting for me to receive the package. So yeah, I can't wait to see what it looks like. Kim offered to send me pictures because it was taking so long. I'm like, no, I want it to be a surprise. And so it's going to be a surprise for me and for you guys. So we get to unbox this together. Here we go. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. It's like I want to open it and I don't, but it's hard to believe the wait is over. Okay. I'm going to be very careful. Okay, it's in here. We'll get rid of the box. I'll probably pop that bubble wrap later, to be honest. I can kind of see the shape already. Oh my goodness, so exciting. Okay, it's very well wrapped, I have to say. I want to look and I don't, but I really do. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love the color. It's perfect. Okay, I'm just going to lift that. Wait. Okay, we're going to cut it. Oh my goodness. I could not have made this better myself. Wow. And the little shelves and the details. It's amazing. Wow, wow, wow. I love this. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see the video to see how she made all of it. And I love the little like seemingly broken pieces because it is, you know, it's been abandoned for a while, so it couldn't look too new. Oh, I'll be able to put little things in there. It's so awesome. Very cool. It's going to look great. So be sure to check out her video on how she made this at Tiny Dollhouse Project. I'll put the link in the description. And oh my goodness, I can't stop staring at it. And so, yeah, I'm actually going to set this up and show you what it looks like in my house. I don't have everything set up yet, but it'll give us an idea. Okay, so here's what our house is looking like so far. And here is the counter. It looks amazing, and it's going to look amazing when everything's said and done. You might think it's hiding the window here. It is kind of, but it won't be because I'm going to add another piece on top. Unless I change my mind, but probably not. So this is what we have so far. I know I haven't said much about the story yet. All I can say for now is that the reason that it's been abandoned is that strange things were happening and people got scared. So that's all I'm going to say for now because there's a lot more to go and I don't want to ruin it all in the beginning. So I hope you liked this episode. It was short and sweet, but I couldn't wait to show you the video, and be sure to check out, again, Tiny Dollhouse Project if you want to know how she made this beautiful desk. All right, see you soon. Bye for now.